Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to simply click on here now to open my WeChat app. I'm going to click on here. Then after you open up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on me right here. They take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go to Pay and Services. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Money. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Receive Money. Then here we go. You have your WeChat Wallet QR code for receiving payment into your WeChat account without any stress. And here, what you want to do right here is to simply click on Save Payment Code. Save to the album. So this particular code here, you can send it to anybody and they will use it to fund your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure your link from any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.